The Quantum KW29 is a standout among Class C motorhomes. We're talking a king bed, washer and dryer prep, theater seats, and a booth dinette. It's all in here, so let's check it out, the Thor Motor Coach featured floor plan.
Yeah, we packed all the goodies you could want in here, and the KW29 still has all the room and space you need. So let's start with this great L-shaped kitchen. The large single-bowl stainless steel sink, roomy countertops, 3-burner gas cooktop with oven, microwave, and double-door fridge are ready for great meals. And did you notice the spice rack and the number of cabinets? So grab your plate and have a seat in the booth dinette. From the theater seats, put your feet up, pop a movie in the Blu-ray player, and it is movie night. And after the credits roll, the booth dinette quickly and easily converts into a bed, and you have the over-the-cab bunk as well. In the master bedroom, you have a king-size bed with great nightstands, so if you are online with the Wi-Fi Ranger Wi-Fi extender, you have all the outlets you need to keep your devices full. Take a look at all the hanging space you have in the closet, and the KW29 even comes with washer and dryer prep. The KW29 sports a nice-sized bathroom. You have your stainless steel sink, medicine cabinet, and shower with skylight, glass door, and towel rack. The Quantum is built on a Ford E-Series with a 6.8-liter V10. Your right foot controls the 305 horsepower and 420 pound-feet of torque, while just a touch is all you need for the dash radio. Equipped with navigation, Sirius satellite radio tuner and antenna, and Bluetooth connectivity, the screen is your co-pilot and your backup monitor. After a quick setup, you are ready to enjoy everything the KW29 offers on the outside. You have a TV on a swivel with soundbar, under the power patio with LED lighting, and the propane connection is ready to grill up some fan favorites. The Quantum is even prepped for solar charging. See? It really is all here. This is the Quantum KW29. Explore more at thormotorcoach.com.